We a legendary advice and the former Black Stars captain, former Black Stars player, Eddie Ama player, a friend of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, ex-captain, which is Danlad concerning the exit from Kumasi Asante Kotoko and advice and so they mano regarding moving forward because football no sanity. Danlad has been told by Asamoah Gyan said clearly Oko World Cup 2022 Qatar World Cup reba ne form no eba form eno ya ade a onjintum na omfanhye ne tirim na onya sai mindset na okaikai nioma a oye ya bra na okotokwa ne form no eba soro na Danlad ebetimi asa rise edu level bi a opeso odru because Danlad is a young keeper and keepers no the more omunyini no the more they become so better. Omo say footballers are omugina field no so omo exert so much energy. But for goalkeepers on water pom, it's goalkeeper bet me at the 35, 40 kra sa oye good na obetimi adan kwa obetimi ada because akoye experience works and no reflexes near there. Asamoah Gyan nsema odi tu dwa no mame mpotop ma. O say it's clear to everyone that your form declined since you returned from the World Cup. Gyan said, remember all the things that help you to be successful during your loan spells and becoming the number one at Asante Kotoko. O say, kai nyoma uye nyina abra na wo Kumasi Asante Kotoko abra na wo loan obey Asante Kotoko number one nyoma wo ya na ma wo number one kai neye. You are still young and you can achieve more than you have over the years. Also still now you're young. The what achieve wedu level yi emre wo wanim no ubetimi achieve even better than that with more dedication, more hard work and nyoma particularly uye ma Asante Kotoko any baby a okobubo loan na wo ya ade nyina no kai sa nyoma pana na wo ye e ma form ni good no let's start it. I think Asamoah Gyan, my respecting one of the best advisor menya from footballer to footballer. And Danlad betie futu no wafania ni going up no one have bit more bigger. Yes, Danlad and I hope so be futu no dia ye adwuma.